Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you about lot of cars trucks here. The first one is a garbage truck. Okay, now check the next one. About this one, road roller. Okay, road roller. Super motorbike, yellow color. Cute crane. This one is a cute crane, a nice crane. How about this one? Monster truck, mini monster truck. This one is a kind of off-road car. How about this? A truck. Okay, now check the next one. How about this one? A petroleum truck. A petroleum truck. How about this one? Mini airplane. Mini airplane. How about this? Monster truck. A nice monster truck. How about this one? Ambulance. Ambulance. Okay, check the next one. How about this? Army truck. Cute bus, red color. This one is a kind of off-road bus, a kind of express bus. How about this one? Mini monster truck. Mini monster truck. A bigger monster truck. An off-road car. A bigger monster truck. This one we use control, remote control, remote controller. How about this? Hero Captain America. Hero Captain America. Hero Iron Man. Everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.